Hi, welcome to the 8th Wonder of the World channel. Today, I will list the names of the company which I think can give good returns in the medium to the long term, which are good companies in my opinion. Investors can add to their portfolio whenever there is a correction, which may be due to the US elections during this week. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more updates and press the bell icon for more notifications from the channel. I would give a brief introduction of these companies. You can refer back to my older videos if you need more information. As a disclosure, I might be holding these companies would have previously held in my portfolio. The first company on the list is Jubilant Life Sciences. The company offers drug discovery and development services, custom research and manufacturing services, advanced intermediates, fine chemicals, active pharmaceutical ingredients, dosage forms, regulatory affairs services. It is an integrated pharmaceutical and life sciences company. So the business includes APIs, that is active pharma ingredients, advanced intermediaries and exclusive synthetics, and crop science chemicals and life science chemicals, and nutrition ingredients. Britannia, one of the biggest brands in the country and has a market share of 33% in its category. More than a century old, Britannia has launched big brands in FMCG segment. The company is expanding its customer base by launching new products and renovating existing ones. Britannia's brand now has great availability in the rural markets and a pervasive presence in the modern trade. The next company is Affle India. It is a global technology company with a proprietary consumer intelligence platform that delivers consumer engagement, acquisition and transactions through the relevant mobile advertising. The platform aims to enhance returns on the marketing investments through the contextual mobile ads and also by reducing ad fraud. While Affle's consumer platform is used by online and offline companies for measurable mobile advertising, its enterprise platform helps offline companies to go online through platform-based app development, enablement of O2O commerce, and through its customer data platform. Please refer back to my previous video where I have given a complete explanation about the company's business. You can find it in the older videos. The next company is Marksans Pharma. It was incorporated in 1992 as a wholly owned subsidiary of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. It became a separate entity in March 2003 and the name was changed to Marksans Pharma in 2005. Currently, the company has presence in active pharmaceutical ingredients, that is the APIs, formulations and biopharmaceuticals. Actively engaged in research and development, offers contract research and manufacturing services to global pharmaceutical companies. The company, engaged in the production of prescription drugs, caters to areas like oncology, gastroenterology, anti-diabetic, cardiovascular, pain management, gynecology and others. Strides Arcolab Ltd. is engaged in the manufacture of pharmaceutical dosage forms in the branded as well as generic categories. The dosages are manufactured in the form of tablets, capsules, soft gelatin capsules and semi-solids. The product range of the company includes soft gel capsules, etc. The company offers a range of soft gels in the category of nutraceuticals, RX, specialties, OTCs and immunosuppressants. Granules. Granules India Ltd is engaged in the manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients and pharmaceutical formulation intermediaries, that is FPFIs, with a complete vertical integration. JSW Steel. JSW Steel is the largest private steel manufacturer in terms of installed capacity. It is also one of the low-cost steel producers in the world. It offers a wide range of steel products like hot roll, cold roll, galvanized, volume, pre-painted galvanized, TMT bars, wire rods, special steel bars, hounds and blooms. The next company is Sequent Scientific Ltd. It is a leading manufacturer and exporter of specialized quality formulations, having the objective of fulfilling the diverse demands of the pharmaceutical industry. The company specializes in the manufacturing of the formulation belonging to anthematic and antiparasitic segments. They also engage in the business of human health and animal health. The next company is Adani Green. This company is a renewable energy company headquartered in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. It is owned by It is owned by the Indian conglomerate Adani Group. The company operates the Kamoti solar power projects, one of the largest photovoltaic plants in the world. Firstsource Solutions Ltd (FSL) is a global provider of the business process management services. The company offers a wide range of services in the area of banking and financial services, that is, provides customized, flexible, cost-effective BPO solutions in the area of retail banking, insurance, credit cards and mortgages, telecommunications and media, that is, offer aids to improving the business processes, developing and implementing customer acquisitions and retention programs, and the healthcare industry. Reliance Industries Ltd is India's largest private sector enterprise with the business in the energy and material value chain. The company works under different segments: exploration and production, petroleum refining, petrochemicals, textiles, and retail. The company's products include crude oil, natural gas, LPG, propylene, naphtha, gasoline, jet aviation turbine fuel, superior kerosene oil, high-speed diesel, sulfur, petroleum coke. The next company is Lauruslabs. The company's strategic and early investments in the R&D and the manufacturing infrastructure has enabled it to become one of the leading manufacturers of APIs in the ARV therapeutic area to multinational pharmaceutical formulation companies which cater to a large and fast-growing donor-funded access to the medicine markets of Sub-Saharan Africa, Southeast Asia and Latin America. The company operates in 4 business lines: generic APIs, generic FDFs, synthesis and ingredients. The company's generics API business comprises the development, manufacture and the sale of APIs and advanced intermediaries. The generics FDI business includes the development and manufacturing of solid for oral formulations. Its synthetic business includes contract development and manufacturing services for global pharmaceutical companies. Its ingredients business comprises the manufacture and sale of specialty ingredients for the use in the nutraceutical and cosmeceutical sectors. Somanycera. The next company is Somanycera. In the Indian tile sector, Somany Ceramics Ltd achieved a clear leadership position by wholeheartedly adopting the forward-thinking and an innovation and a futuristic approach. The product range of the company includes tiles, floor tiles, wall tiles, imported tiles, sanitary ware like toilets, basins, urinals. The next company is Dixon. The company is the largest homegrown design-focused and solution company engaged in the manufacturing products in the consumer durables, lighting and mobile phone markets in India. Its diversified products portfolio includes consumer electronics like LED TVs, home appliances like washing machine, lighting products like LED bulbs and tube lights, and downlighters and CFL bulbs. The mobile phones. It also provides solutions in the reverse logistics, that is the repair and the refurbishment services of the set-top box, mobile phones and LED TV panels. The company's key customer includes Panasonic India Private Limited, Philips Lighting India, Haya Appliances, Gioni, Reliance Retail, Intex Technologies Limited, Hitachi Endowment and Disha Infra Services. The next company is Tata Coffee. Tata Coffee, that is TLC, is the largest coffee plantation company in Asia. The company owns tea estates located in Coorg, Hassan and Chikmagalur districts of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Their timber resources include rosewood, silver oak and other miscellaneous trees. For optimum utilization of the timber resources, the company has entered into the manufacturing of plywood block boards with the brand name Tata Conswood. The company is also engaged in the production of pepper and cardamom in its coffee estates. So the next company is Dynamic Products Limited, which is engaged in the manufacturing of dye intermediaries. The company's product range includes food color, lake color, blended color, FD&C color, salt-free dyes and dye intermediates. The next company is IPCALAB. IPCALAB Laboratories Limited is a fully integrated Indian pharmaceutical company manufacturing over 350 formulations and 80 APIs for various therapeutic segments. It is one of the largest manufacturers and suppliers of over a dozen of APIs. These are produced right from the basic stage at the manufacturing facilities endorsed by the world's most discerning drug regulatory authorities like US FDA, UK MHRA, EDQM Europe, WHO Geneva and many more. The next company is Ashok Leyland. It has a major presence in the Indian commercial vehicle industry. The company offers a wide range of products like buses, trucks, engines, defense and special vehicles. In the populous Indian metros, 4 out of the 5 state transport undertaking, that is the STU buses, comes from Ashok Leyland. The associated companies are Automotive Coaches and Components Limited, Lanka Ashok Leyland, Hinduja Foundries, Isaras TVS, Ashok Leyland Project Services Limited. The next company is HEL GLASCOAT. This is based in the western part of India, specializes in the design and manufacturing of carbon steel glass aligned equipment vis-a-vis the reactors, receivers, storage tanks, dryers, filters, columns, agitators, valves, pipes, fittings. The HEL GLASCOAT caters to the requirement of leading pharmaceutical, API specialty chemicals, dryers, colors, agrochemicals and food processing and allied industries. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. This content is intended to be used and must be used for educational purposes only. Please do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances and consult your financial advisor.